This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2006 BFL Ford Falcon XT sedan, stock reference number 5103. This shape runs from the 10th month 2002 through to the 9th month 2010. It has a 4-litre 6-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 4-litre 6-cylinder petrol engine with the left-hand headlight. Left guard has a previous repair. Left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 2 dents. Left side skirt. Left rear door has 4 small dents. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Boot lid's just a little bit faded on the top. Tidy bumper cover with a cutout for the tow bar. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right hand side skirt. Right rear door has 3 small dents. Right front door has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Automatic gear shifter. Single stack CD player. Interior mirror. Courtesy lamp. Left sun visor. Right sun visor. And rear seats. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.